he's the best passer in basketball, but that does not make him the best leader in basketball. Leading is different to me. LeBron is still too much of a solo act. He still drops in all year long, I don't have enough help. He still sets himself up with excuses to the media of, I don't know. So why was, I don't know if we have enough. Okay, well, he sends messages to his teammates that he doesn't believe in his teammates.
Well, answer me this. Why was Kobe so upset demanding a trade if he could,
Like, I'm ashamed to be part of you guys.
so what about,
You can't do that.
What about when he passed George Hill the ball? Was he
What
getting bad
about?
teammate?
No, you're being scared. So you gotta take the
You
shot.
see, so he can't win. If he doesn't, if he
Again.
Skip,
Sorry.
It's so Skip. You do realize in Game 6, Kobe Bryant lost the NBA Finals game, closeout game by a record margin, 39 points to this day.
Kill the messenger.
Skip, you can say kill the messenger all you want to, but the fact of the
That's
matter,
not the discussion here. He's trying to show LeBron how to get this home.
Skip, nobody.
Game 1, Game 3, you had him. You had him.
Guess what? You're right. And Paul Gasol in the game in Game 7, Paul was 19 and 18. Ron Artest had 20
I just
points.
said that.
Okay.
I just missed the point.
When did LeBron teammates give him that in the finals?
Kobe's telling you he didn't set them up to do that.
Give them
He
that
hasn't.
evidence.
Wait. You know what you keep sweeping under the carpet? Did you watch what happened at the end of Game 1? Help me out. You still defending it? I've never seen such a pathetic display from a leader superstar than LeBron just melting down on the bench.
You can talk about that.
You had him.
You can talk
You had
about
him.
you can
That's the essence of what Kobe's talking about. You can't do that. You know why Kobe can relate? He's done similar in his younger days. He's done similar to that. You can't do it. You lost the finals.
This is where we are at the moment. I still don't want to pull this off, but this is going on here. I need to figure out how I'm gonna have these things glued on and kept in one space, and figure out how I'm going to secure the edges a little bit more. I think I need to go find some metal clamps for like projects. You sit back sitting at a project perspectives and you have everything typed up, or your quarterly financial report. All that's going on here. Yeah, this is this digital dash, little backdrop so you're not looking at the whole gauge, and that's that. You know, I'm certain I'm not holding this balanced, but it also flexes a little bit, so we'll see. Got the holes here. This is for the thing. This is for the what is this, like a mini USB or whatever the port, damn it, is. I'll probably connect all of these cables. I'll connect this cable for sure. Boom. I guess I could have just been like, stop fucking doing that, you stupid thing. Oh man. Annoying. Of course. He's sliding on here. And you know, be bolted up and figure out how to clean this all up. Figure you guys didn't need to see, or didn't want to see me cutting out holes, sanding this, gluing it on and all of that, but yep, that's the way that goes, and blah blah blah. We're moving along to some degree. Now let me go see if I can figure out how to fill these holes on this dash properly.